Some humans spend so much time in the ocean, their bodies began to change. Not in movies, not in myths, in real life. For generations, the Bajau people have lived almost entirely at sea. The ocean is not just where they work, it's where they eat, travel, sleep, and survive. Many live on wooden boats or houses built directly above the water. Children learn to swim almost as early as they learn to walk. And over time, scientists began noticing something unusual about them. They could stay underwater for incredible lengths of time, longer than most people expected, diving deep beneath the surface, often with little or no modern equipment, no oxygen tanks, no heavy gear, just handmade goggles and a single breath. Again and again, they disappear beneath the water, calm, controlled, almost effortless. But the deeper scientists looked, the stranger it became. Because this wasn't only skill, their bodies appeared to be adapting to life underwater itself. One discovery shocked researchers. The Bajau people were found to have unusually large spleens, and that matters more than it sounds. The spleen acts like a reserve tank for oxygen-rich blood. When humans dive underwater, the spleen contracts, releasing extra oxygen into the body, helping a person stay underwater longer. But in the Bajau community, scientists discovered spleens significantly larger than average, almost as if generations of ocean life slowly shaped the human body itself. And that wasn't the only thing. Many Bajau divers can see underwater more clearly than most people, even without goggles. Researchers found that children from these communities learn to control their eye focus underwater better than most humans naturally can. Years of constant exposure to the sea appear to sharpen abilities most people never develop. For them, the ocean is not unfamiliar. It's home, and their connection to it begins early. Very early. Some children spend hours diving before they are even teenagers. The sea becomes part of daily life, part of survival, part of identity. But living this way is not easy. The ocean can be unpredictable. Storms can appear suddenly. Waves can become violent without warning. And yet, generation after generation, they continue returning to the water. Because for them, the sea is not just nature, it's life itself. And maybe the most fascinating part of all is what this reveals about humans. The human body is far more adaptable than most people realize. Over long periods of time, entire communities can begin changing alongside their environment. Not instantly, not magically, but slowly, across generations. The Bajau people remind us that humans are still deeply connected to the natural world, and sometimes, nature changes us back. Subscribe for more real stories that feel unreal.